won't hold me, you can't scold me now, 'cause I'm laying down in this cold, cold ground. It looks like I'm staying just about 6 feet.
We have a bull right down the hill, probably like 200-300 yards down the hill. Then it sounds like he's working his way up to us, so we're gonna head down below a cliff and get into position.
Spot we should. They're on the go.
We're going after this guy, and he sounds like a nice bull.
Looks like it's staying 6 feet from me.
Straight towards us. We think he's coming. He hasn't said any word, anything, so.
You can't see me, you can't hear me out. You just hold me, baby. You could thaw me out, but I'm laying down in this cold, cold ground. It looks like I'm staying just about 6 feet.
Spot where we bugle, and we bugled down into this drainage. No answers, but we heard what sounded like an elk crashing through the trees, and we knew it was a bull because I saw him over there. So we came up on this bench and we set up, and 20 minutes later we heard him coming up this hill, and he was coming up this left side, and then he switched around and was coming dead on for me, and I got him to stop at about 12 yards, and I aimed right for his chest and I let the arrow go. Now we're looking for the arrow or blood or anything. Found the first blood. Okay, found it up here.
Thank you, Lord. Me. You can't kiss me now. You won't hold me. You can't scold me now, 'cause I'm laying down in this cold, cold ground.
Well, we got half the elk.
It looks like I'm staying
packed up in our packs.
just about 6 feet.
The other half we drove down here. Come back tomorrow and grab it.